Hello there.
Today I'm going to tell you how to install a new operating system, or you can say how to install a software in your mobile. There may be many reasons to do it. Sometimes Wi-Fi is not working, or network problem, or Bluetooth issue. There may be many problems that your phone is not working normally. In my case, I have a mobile of Vivo. I don't have the password of this mobile, or you can say the pattern. So there is one way to get rid of this problem. So this is the password. I don't know the password, and I want to reinstall the software. Reinstalling the OS. First, open your mobile and eject your battery. Remember this, that you do it very gently. So let's go to the laptop. So friends, now we have to do it step by step. First step is to download the operating system software, Android software. So how to download it? Simply you can go to the internet and type your model number. As I have written here, firmware download for Vivo. This is the model number, my mobile's model number. But in some cases you don't have the model number of your mobile, or you don't know the model number of your mobile, such as a condition when your mobile is locked, or you have forgotten your password or pattern, or your mobile is not getting start, it is not displaying anything. Then how to know your model number? We have one video, so don't worry, you can get the link from the information button or in the description. This is how we type in the Google and search for it. You can write here firmware, or you can write here stock ROM. That is ROM. We are installing the ROM. I am downloading it from my preferred website, romprovider.com. You can choose any website from here according to your model number, according to your mobile, and download it. Okay, so this is one step, and I have downloaded it. I can show you in downloads. I have downloaded it, Vivo Y81. This is my firmware. So this is the first step. And next is, when you download the firmware, there is a folder named driver you can have here. This folder has the links of drivers, CDC driver, VCOM driver, and universal ADB driver. From this link you can download the driver. This is second step, download the USB driver, because to connect the Android system with this window, with this another operating system, we have to get this driver first. Okay,
Whatever you say.
CDC driver. So we have to download it. When I clicking it, it says open, and here you can see the Android CDC driver zip. You can download it. Maybe in your case the firmware has not this driver folder, then you can search it for. Okay, go to the Google, Android USB CDC driver.
I'm fast as fuck, boy.
Choose any link, and you can download it. I have downloaded this, and this is the file, important file to set up info. This is not exe file, this is setup information file. This file cannot execute. So how to install USB driver? So there is a separate video. If you don't know how to install the CDC drivers, Android USB drivers, and you can find the link in the information button or the description box. The second step, and the next is flash tool. As like you know, when we install the window in our computer, in our laptop, then we have to get a software first which install the window. As we can say Power ISO in the case of window, and in the case of Android you have to get the flash tool. And this is the website, official website, flash tool download. You can click on this and download. This is the link. Sorry, this is not the link, this is grammar link, advertise link. You should be very careful to click on the right link. So the SP flash tool, latest version you can download. I have downloaded it already. You can see in my download folder. This is the SP flash tool. First step, download the firmware. Second step, download the Android CDC drivers. And third step, download SP flash tool. And one other important thing I can say, that MTK driver, you should install this, because in some cases, in some laptops, in some machines, that maybe you have not that type of compatibility or that type of drivers, USB drivers. So MTK USB drivers, I suggest that you can download it and install it. How to do it? Search for MTK USB drivers. Simple. These drivers help you. Okay, what to do next? We have downloaded everything. So now next thing, start the flash tool. So go to the SP flash tool. In this, you can have this flash tool application file. Okay, and click on this and run. So this is the application smartphone flash tool. So now what to do next? Format, download, two important tabs where we do some settings. On format tab, auto, this auto format flash has to be checked. And in this second section, auto format flag, these both options you can take any option, format whole flash. Okay, next is download. In this section, this will autofill. Okay, because this is the download agent SP flash what we have started, but in this section when you start
First time.
this will be empty, so you can click on choose. So go to your firmwares what you have downloaded, software of your mobile application, that in my case it is Vivo. So click on this, and you have to click on firmware. So in the firmware, search here the scatter file, text file. This is the text file, .txt file. So .txt file named scatter, you have to search for it and select it and click on open. That's it. This is very simple thing. So after this, one more setting, you can click on this download format all plus download. All the former settings, former data, it will format all the mobile and download the new flash. And you have to click on this preloader, uncheck it. Now that's all. What is next? So before we connect the mobile button, we have to click on this download button. Remember this. Okay. After clicking on this download button, you have to press your mobile's volume up or down key. In many cases, it can be volume up key, and some cases it can be volume down key or both. From one hand, press volume up and down key, and other hand, while you keep pressing them and insert the USB cable. Oh great, it is started. Friends, if you get these type of errors in this process, then please watch our video. You can get the link from the information button or in the description. So we have to wait for this download complete 100%. But after this, when it is completed, but remember one thing, do not plug your phone off immediately after it has been completed. So please wait for only at least 1 minute. Okay, it is going to complete. Okay, thanks. Congratulations, your phone has been installed with a new operating system. Now the all problems has been gone. After 1 minute, you can disconnect your phone from your computer and press the power button. What do you see? Your phone is started as like new fresh operating system. So friends, if this video helped you, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching guys. See you. Bye bye.